Weather is great today, so I will be cleaning my chain today on my Rebel 1100. There's a bit of rust on my chain, only surface rust it looks like, because I haven't been using my motorcycle in a few months and water got into it when my cover flew off when it was raining one day. This is what I'm using today on my Rebel 1100, a brush to clean the chain cleaner, and last step is gonna be chain lube. Make sure you have it on a stand so you can rotate it, otherwise it's just gonna be a pain in the butt to do it without one.
Spray the chain with the chain cleaner. What I do is I spray it on the chain while I spin the wheel till I get the whole chain sprayed. Now I use my chain brush. Once I think it's clean, I rotate the brush so I get every side of the chain. Once it's brushed well, I spin the wheel and keep cleaning the chain till I have the whole chain brushed and clean of oil, dirt, and surface rust. My cell phone died. But once the whole chain is brushed and cleaned, then use your water hose to take off the loose oil and dirt on the chain. Then I use an old shirt or towel and dry the chain. Be careful doing this. Never do it while the motorcycle is on to save time. Many people have lost a finger doing it like that. With one hand I hold the chain with the towel, and with my other hand I spin the wheel. Now that the chain is clean and dry, you can spray your favorite chain lube on it. I use a small foam piece to cover the back, so I don't get lube everywhere. Spin the wheel while spraying the chain. This is the end result, ready for another 600 miles.